Hi, this is Matt. I'm in Spring Hill today. We got a house for sale, and the ice maker line fell off, and it's made quite a bit of damage in the home. Let's take a look. So you can see, we got water running out the front of the house. That's how they were alerted to it. You see water going all the way out the front door. We walk inside the home. We've got standing water down the hallway. You see that there? The bathroom's got standing water. Down the hallway, standing water. We've got a lot of pergo flooring in this house. And when you walk on it, it kind of floats. Here, this room, you see how the floor is buckling. And when you walk on it, it's kind of like a water bed. Here's the kitchen. Got a breakfast nook. Kitchen cabinets. Here's the fridge where it was leaking. Plastic line there, feed came off. We'll go around the other side. You see the water just standing there. The great room or the living room. Hall closet has water. Watch when I walk toward the door. You can see that waves going out of the floor there. Just right out the front door. It's a lot of water in this house. The floor is buckling. See that when I walk in a lot of water. This whole great room is all full of water. This is the master bedroom suite on this side. Got standing water through the house. And then you can see and in this bedroom, it's flooded deep. And that's all the way over there is flooded as well. So we got quite a bit of water in this house right now. We'll get it taken care of. And the floor is teeping as well, so we'll get all these wood floor out. Here's a walk-in closet. We got standing water. You see that when the floor moves? Flooded house. We'll take a look when we're done. Mr. Dry Out. This is a lot of water. It's incredible. It's like a tidal wave right here, water. Here, sweep it out the front door real quick so people can see how much water there is. So this is where the washer and dryer is. And there's some discoloration there, so we're going to cut this wall. Probably load went over sometime in the past. This wall is opposite the laundry room, and it's discolored as well. So we're going to cut inside the closet, just outside the closet. You can see it right there down the base of the wall, black. So we're just finishing up, cleaning up. Got a dehumidifier and a fan here in the living room. Another fan by the front door. We had to cut this wall out right here. On the other side of the wall is the laundry room, and there was some mold there. We cut all that out. Over here in the master bedroom suite, got a fan in the master closet. We got one here, dehumidifier. Going the other way. Another master bedroom bath. We got a fan on either side of here. We open this door up. You can see the water still coming out of the walls. It's draining out. We've got a dehumidifier here. On the other side of the house, I've got two fans in the kitchen. Got one in the breakfast nook right here for this area. I've got three in this little room here. One for the hallway. We cut this wall out. It was soaking wet. This is just on the other side of the, you see how wet it is. That's right behind the refrigerator. This bedroom, we got two fans and a dehumidifier. The water's draining out of that wall really bad. There's a lot of water in this house. Down here, it's the laundry room. We garage, we're gonna have one humidifier and one fan. The guest bedroom, bath, you can see we're gonna put one fan right there. Mr. Dry Out, call us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.